Hey, what's up guys? It's Scarce here.
Definitely a tiger because he has the eye of the tiger.
He does have the eye of the tiger.
Are you sure about that?
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. Sweat. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts.
Wow.
M'lady.
That's the wrong number!
Eagle double G. Hold on.
We about to get stupid!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Just shut up for like a minute. Shut up.
Real trap shit. Trapaholics. We make it look easy.
Smoke weed every